Maritime security and sustainable development go hand in hand. The world economic and sustainable development depends critically on the maritime economy. India, being a maritime nation, can only aspire to succeed in becoming a 5 trillion economy if the country would timely and wisely explore and exploit maritime potential. But the security challenges which country has been facing from the land-based economic development will only increase proportionately with maritime economic growth. Thus, economic growth and security will have to go absolutely hand in hand. There cannot be a second thought. India has coastline of more than 7,500 km, over 2 million square kilometer of exclusive economic zone, nearly 1,200 islands, 530,000 square kilometer of continental shelf, and 217 major and minor ports. Under the Sagarmala program, the government has envisaged a total of 189 projects for modernization of ports involving an investment of $22 billion by the year 2035. Within the port sector, projects worth investment of $10 billion have been identified and will be rewarded in the coming 5 years. Protection and promotion of national maritime security objective is therefore imperative. How many countries in the world can satisfactorily state that it has legal and governance mechanisms, processes and institutions to prevent, reduce, control and eliminate all major maritime security challenges? Piracy, armed robbery, trade in narcotics, human smuggling, marine environmental pollution, illegal, unreported, unregulated fishing, proliferation of weapons of mass destruction. No country. In other words, maritime security has now become vulnerable to actors and governments that are keen to exploit the loopholes in the laws and governance mechanisms. No surprisingly, therefore, there is even a trend to rewrite the international maritime law to suit individual countries' interests and ambitions. We at the Raksha Shakti University are taking steps to introduce wholesome education, research and training system for maritime security for India and for all countries and institutions who desire to work for international law-based oceanic order. Law of the sea, maritime security and land and air space security, contemporary maritime security issues and law, maritime security legal and governance framework, maritime security response mechanisms, processes and dispute settlement are some of the most prominent areas where we are embarking the education mission in collaboration with the institutions of friendly and well-wishing nations. It is my proud privilege to invite you to join and contribute to this world's first ever dedicated university level school on maritime security law. Our LLM program, certificate and diploma programs, and round the year training for Navy, Coast Guard, port, ship, insurance and legal authorities. In the process, we would like to work closely with the International Maritime Organization, International Seabed Authority, Indian Ocean Commission, the UNESCO, the Nippon Foundation, the International Maritime Law Institute, the World Maritime University, the International Maritime Bureau of International Chambers of Commerce, the National Maritime Foundation of India, and universities who are members of International Maritime University Association of the world as our educational partners. Come and join at the RSU.